I'll start tomorrow. I'm the queen of excuses. Just inhaled that. Happy Saturday. I've definitely procrastinated more than I should. It's 11:38. I've been up since like 8 scrolling, which is a habit I need to stop doing because I don't know why I'm scrolling. Anyway, I was scrolling because I'm looking for makeup and da. Bro, whoever thought finding makeup was going to be the hardest thing? It's taking up so much of my time. I bought a bunch of stuff yesterday, bro. I'm convinced that people that wear makeup on the daily are rich and have time on their hands, because tell me why these 5 items cost me $115 from the drugstore. I initially went in for brushes. I looked for brushes. Who knew brushes were damn expensive? I thought that in total all the brushes I needed would cost me about $20. No! I don't know what any of these things do, and they don't have like labels on them, but I think I'll get this whole pack.
What do you want to do? I can help you, maybe.
Oh, yes, please. She recommended that I get this. She said her friend has had it for years and it has all the brushes that I need for a whooping $58. Now we're going to check out the e.l.f. primer because it's what was recommended everywhere on TikTok for beginners. Okay, we have all these options of primer. I'm going to choose the hydrating base. There's a lot to choose from. I've never used primer a day in my life. I have no idea how to use it, but I asked you guys what I need to get in order for me to improve my makeup. You mentioned brushes, concealer, primer. Yeah, that's all the things I got today, and a bunch of other stuff. Two other stuff. I'm going to spend like 5 years in here when I only came for 2 things. I'm actually picking up more. I see a sale, I get it. Beauty stores overwhelm me. I've been here for a hot minute. I saw lashes, looked at them. I'm looking at mascara, and I'm like, frozen. What should I get? I also got, what brand was this again? Maybelline. I got the Maybelline concealer in the shade 45. I asked the lady and she told me this is the perfect shade for me. She said it has to be a little bit lighter than me. She said this is perfect. Is it lighter? I don't know. Then I got a brown lip liner for my lips. I normally use my eyeliner, which is black, but I wanted to try different things. Brown. I actually have a pink one that I never use. But yeah, this one is from Maybelline. I think I like Maybelline. And then I also got the NYX Fill and Fluff eyebrow stuff. I don't know, it's supposed to be a brush and a pencil on the other side, and it's supposed to make your eyebrows look better or some shit like that. We'll get into that. First, I need to clean up because I have to go to my friend's house. I have to be there by 6. So I have to be done editing and uploading 3 videos, and I also have to clean my apartment and record this video for you guys tomorrow. So, let's get it. just remembered I didn't take my shots the last 2 of the week. Cheers. Shots, 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 shots. Everybody, shots. Whoa, my washing machine is so freaking loud. Forgot to tell you the story about this. I need to return this. This is $58. I posted a makeup video because I'm trying to get into makeup and I want to work with more makeup brands. In order for them to see themselves in my content, I have to do some makeup stuff. So I did one makeup video. The makeup was terrible. And then people recommended that I should get brushes to improve. So I went yesterday to the drugstore to look for brushes. And tell me why singular brushes were like $50, $40. Who knew brushes were that expensive? I didn't. Anyway, I got the whole set for $58, and when I uploaded my video on TikTok and Instagram, everyone is like, oh my gosh, those brushes are so expensive. Check out Temu, check out Shein, check out Amazon. So I'm going to return these tomorrow. Maybe we are going to be together, but I'm going to return these and buy some on Amazon. Anyway, let me go back to cleaning. Returning that. I have this bad habit of leaving my clothes in the dryer until I need to use the dryer again. Time moves so fast. I can't believe it's 1:30. Well, 1:21. I need to finish this, record my videos for today. Record and upload my videos for today before I leave to go to my friend's house at 6 p.m. I'm in charge of food. I know my legs are ashy, just ignore them. So if you made plans last week that you were going to put in the work and you didn't put it in, this is the part that you're going to enjoy the most. Because we're going to do a weekly recap and plan for the week ahead, which I haven't been doing a lot of lately. Well, when I said like... Bro, there is nothing that pisses me off that like phone calls that are not mine. Like someone is looking for a job and I empathize. I really do empathize because finding jobs these days is hard. But it's not my job. Okay, I'm done ranting. Guys, I have exactly 20 minutes until the light goes out. I wanted to take out my hair, but yeah, that's going to take forever. And believe it or not, this is take 2 of this video because I was yapping a lot in the other video. I hope I'm not yapping a lot in this one. We need to wrap it up. Sheila, sum it up. There she goes again. Every week I challenge myself to do weekly reviews and share them with you guys, and hopefully you guys do the same for yourselves, especially if you want to start your new year off right. You know, the winter arc, we talked about it in the previous video, the time where you lock in and make sure that you're reaching your goals. And for me, if I want to make sure that I'm reaching my goals, one thing I really have to do is do weekly reviews, which is what we're doing in today's video. I last week checked off so many boxes. I'm so proud of myself. Let's clap for me. Simply because I literally ticked off everything. Oh shit, I need to record this video right now before I leave my house because it's some of the content that I had to upload today. I cannot not do it before I leave my house. Oh my gosh, I didn't look at my to-do list this morning. I would have been a lot faster.
Lord, if you let me get skinny one more time, I promise I won't mess it up. Amen.
Basically, what I'm trying to say is that I did everything I had to do, and whatever is left, I'm going to move it forward. Even if I'm back on content, I was beating myself up earlier, but I'm like, Sheila, you know what? Even if you're back, just catch up, and then maybe fast forward it in the middle of the week. Some days you share a little bit more type shit, which helps me because mentally I was already starting to feel backwards, and now that I'm saying it out loud, I'm like, okay, Sheila, relax. Anyway, last night I also took the time to make my weekly plan for the next week, and yeah, we have everything we need to do, including to defrost the ground beef. Sheila, you have to defrost. You know what? Let's do it now. Okay, that's done. I needed to put it in the fridge, and I also needed a reminder for myself. Thank God I did that, because come tomorrow I have to record content. The ground beef is not defrosted. I would be mad at myself. That's done. These videos are last week I had so much on my to-do list, so I'm wondering why it's very little this week. I'm going to double check this again tomorrow, but at least for the most part I have like the whole blueprint, the outline already set up for me to go, and not have to overthink it. And also this coming week I need to remember to share my to-do list every day to encourage you guys on stories. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram stories. That's where the party is at. Well, party means fun, mean everyday life. What's my other thought? I also told myself that I'm not going to focus on the analytics so much, because analytics have a way of demotivating me, and today I almost felt like that. I looked at, I'm like, oh my gosh, but I did this, I did that. No, girl, we are putting in the work. We are planning every week. We are putting in the work. We don't have enough concrete, valid reasons to not, like, yeah, I said I'm going to upload twice every day. This twice every day, where am I? What's the word? I haven't tested it enough to be like, no, it's not working. I've done it for 1 week. Let's do it 2 weeks, 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, it's not working. Okay. By the time the new year comes, I have the momentum of posting every day. Not that I didn't have that momentum, but I have the momentum of sitting down every week and writing down what I need to do. Okay, the sun is going out so fast. In terms of nutrition, I've been doing so well. I told my meal prep. The only thing that's left in my meal prep is chickpeas and rice. And last week I said this house is a rice household. That does not sound right. Rice household? Yes, it's a rice household, bro. I only ate the rice once. I don't know, my plan was to have it with chickpeas every time, but the chickpeas turned out so dry. So this week we're going to eat some more chickpeas. And what I'm going to do is just make them a little bit more curryish. Maybe I need to crush them. I need to crush them so they don't be... Oh no, they had a texture and they were so dry and I didn't want to eat them. So last night I also took the time to go through my meal plan, and this is what I'm telling you, but I'm so organized this past couple, it's only been 1 week, but I did my meal prep again. I want to have some more chia seeds. I normally do a lot of sweets because I have a sweet tooth, so if I have like sweet stuff for breakfast and dessert, it just helps me. So I'm like, I just put ideas: eggs, fruit and veggies, banana pancakes, chia seed pudding, because last week I liked what I had. I know I complained in the videos, but I'm not complaining. Ground beef came from the last meal prep. I said I would have it, but I didn't. So here we are. I'm going to have it again on this meal prep. And the chickpeas, again, they were from last week's meal prep. Check out the previous video if you haven't already. I'm going to link it above and in the description box down below if you want to watch that. But I also put other options that I have. So instead of rice this week, because I didn't eat the rice last week, I'm going to do like potatoes, quinoa. I have asparagus, I have spinach, I have eggplant, dill. I need to figure out what I can do with these things. I need to buy more yogurt. But for snacks, I have peanuts. I've been eating a lot of peanuts. Instead of the chickpeas I made last week, I ate a lot of peanuts. So I got them on Thursday and I'm already halfway the bag, bro. The bag is big. Anyway, I have fruit, strawberries, clementines, kiwis, cucumber salad. For the sauces, last week I made sauces, you guys, but imagine I only ate the olive oil one. I haven't even gotten to eat the other one. So I'm learning my patterns. I don't eat that much. I don't eat as much as I think I'm going to be eating in my head. So that's a good thing to learn. Dessert, you know how much I love my yogurt granola balls. I still have some granola. I moved it into a small container. I have like this much left. I put dates last week. I didn't eat them this week, but I still have them. So I think maybe I can make some nice, fun, sweet treats as content. Well, as content, but also for me, because this looks very boring. Anyway, yeah, that's where my head is at this week. But I'm so glad that I took the time to sit down and think about this, because I feel like I overuse the word I feel like. What other words can I use? Now I've lost my train of thought trying to say the right thing. I don't know what I was saying, but all I want to say is that I see a difference when I share my life with you than when I sit down and I know no one is watching me and I'm just in my bed and I'm like, oh, I can pretend like I'm working, but I'm not. But now I'm actually working because I'm like, I want to inspire people out there, someone who is struggling like me, who procrastinates and like they sit down and you're just chilling and you're like, oh, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll start tomorrow. Or like you want to start something and it's just so difficult to start. I realized that sitting down and planning can change everything, and you don't have to plan everything. Just plan one tiny thing. I swear this all started by me planning my content, and when I was planning my content, I was like, what do I really want to do in my own life? Like, okay, I need to start eating healthy. People can resonate with that. I'm like, okay, if I want to do this, I need to record content that's easy for me that I'm already doing. So if I share it with you, you're keeping me accountable. So I'm putting it on my content plan. If I don't do it, it means I don't have content. So all these little things, it started by me planning my content, and planning my content is helping me change my life. This is why I do content creation, because I believe it's going to change my life in a very big way. Like, I can't even start to tell you. But here we are in the bundles, struggling to show up every day. The sun is going and I'm showing up and I'm here. Rude. That's the fridge. Okay, it's going to scream again. But did I tell you that with this week's meal plan I lost 3 kilos, bro? Oh my gosh, I was so happy. I know it's water weight, but bro, it feels so freaking good to see some progress. It gives you that dopamine you need to keep going. Yeah, I think I'm going to end the this fridge. Anyway, thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget to show up for yourself. If I can do it, you can do it too, because I'm the queen of excuses. Do not forget to put in the work, okay? Promise me that you're going to put in the work below. Let me know down below. I'll know that you made it to the end of this video. Let me know if you're going to show up for yourself, because that's what we do. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.